What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I will show you guys how to make my Dracula paper airplane model. This model paper airplane locks together and has a thruster on the back. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. To make this model paper airplane, you will need 20 by 20 centimeter paper, but any square paper will work as long as you follow the directions correctly. Alright, start by rotating the paper 90 degrees and bring one corner to the other. Open up that fold and bring the edges to the center crease. Flip the paper over and bring the edges to the center crease once more, pulling the layers with it. Flip the paper over once more and bring the top edge to the bottom. Swivel fold that layer to the center crease and line up that crease along the edge point. Fold the triangle up as far as it will go, and crease. This is where it gets a little trickier. Swivel fold the wing backward as far as it will go, and then open it up. Now reverse the fold and tuck it under the wing. Do the same steps on the other side. Flip it over and swivel fold the excess paper. Reinforce the crease and do the same on the other side. Reference fold the nose of the plane as far as it will go down and then reopen it. Using that crease, perform what is called a jet fold. You can do this by pinching the paper airplane and then flattening it out. Fold the wings of the paper airplane up as far as they will go. Now reverse fold to make the tail fin. Now open up the tail fin and fold the edges to the center crease. Now reclose the fold and reinforce the crease. Pinch the paper and squash fold a little bit to form a thruster on the back. Flip the paper over and tuck a little tab under the fuselage. This will lock the plane's fuselage together. There you go. You have a finished Dracula paper airplane model. This paper airplane doesn't fly great. After all, it is a paper airplane model. This is my first time designing a jet paper airplane. Let me know how I did in the comments. Hope you enjoy.